please go to my channel and press the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you get notified all the time I upload a new video.
Hey yo, what's up people? This is Trishanu'stech and you're watching me on Trishanu'stech. So let's start today's video. And finally we have reached 100 subscribers. Please make it to 500 subscribers. Next our target is 500 subscribers. And do like the video, surely like the video. I'm actually extremely happy we have reached 100 subscriber family. Now let's take it up to 1,000 subscriber family also. So I hope that's gonna be soon. That day is gonna come soon when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So let's get into the video. So yes guys, as you can see we are doing the review of this soldering iron today. Let's start the review. So I'll also be doing some desoldering from this circuit and be showing you people. So this is a 2-in-1 soldering station. This is the soldering heat gun, and these are the attachments of it. And there's some speciality of this which I'll say you later in the video. And this is the soldering iron which we use for taking out smaller components. So this is basically a micro soldering iron, and this is a SMD soldering kit which they give you, and its cost is 4,000 rupees, which is very reasonable for 2-in-1 kit. And this soldering iron is extremely comfortable, extremely. So as you can see, this is the bit of the soldering iron. They don't include any more bits, but you can buy them as well from Amazon. I have purchased this from Industrial Bank, so you can also go there and purchase it. And when we on it, it makes this noise, which means it's on. And as you can see here, this thing comes apart like so. This thing comes right out, but then usually you need to keep it in. It's very portable. Its weight is a little bit more. It's 11.5 kilos as they mention over there. So as you can see, it is written off and off, which means the heat gun as well, the soldering iron is off right now. So you can see I'm touching it on my skin and I'm not getting burned. And there's the option for Fahrenheit and Celsius. So I have kept it in Celsius. This regulator is for controlling the air which is coming out through the heat gun, the force of the air which is coming out. And the special feature which I was talking about is, look, when you on this is the on and off switch by the way. Look, when you on this and when you put it in place, it says LP, which means it's not getting heated. So it understands that this heat gun is there in its case right now and it should not get heated. But look, whenever you take it out of its place, it starts heating up. And you can see how fast is this thing getting heated up. It's already reaching like 130 degrees Celsius. So its maximum degrees is 150 degrees. Right now it's set to 425. Look, I'll set it to 500 degrees Celsius. Look, and the minimum is 100 degrees Celsius, but we won't go there. Let's go to 500 degrees Celsius. And for now we don't want to heat this, so let's keep it over here and it should go into LP. Look, it's not heating anymore. So I can even put my hand here. And before this thing heats, we need to keep the attachments of it. So suppose you are desoldering a very fine part of a circuit board, such as these stuff, resistors, then you will use these, or else same goes with the rest. Bigger stuff you can use this too. So I'll be desoldering these today and be showing you. So for this bit is good. I'll just put this bit in here like so. It's very easy to keep it, and as I said it's not heating up right now. Yeah, I kept the bit over there. And so now let's talk about the soldering iron. This thing comes with a very heavy soldering station, where you keep the soldering iron, and it's very firm, so you can look, you just have to put it like that and it won't even shake. So that's a very good point, and they even include a sponge over here, so you can put water and clean the soldering tip. And that's about the soldering iron, and you can remove this thing like so. Just unlock this, and this thing comes out like so. You can change the bit. For now we won't change any bits and stuff. Look, it was heating right. Now I press the off button and it cooled down itself and it automatically off. So look how intelligent is this thing. So that's a very good point of this. And so yeah, now I'll demonstrate you how you can do stuff. And the soldering iron goes to 140 degrees Celsius max. It can't go to 500, but it goes to 140, so that's a good thing. So yeah, that's all for this, and now let's keep these here, and I'll do desoldering with this right now. I'll just turn it. I can take it out like so, and you should not hold this part because the fans are located here. So yeah, and just wait for some time till it gets heated up. Yeah, it's pretty good. And I'll just grab something for lifting that thing up or taking it out of its place. Yeah, so I took a small this thing, and yeah, now it's heating up. It's in 298 degrees Celsius for now, and we can start desoldering from this point itself. There wouldn't be any problems. We are melting the solder over here, and this thing came out slide like that. And oh my god, it already came out. Look at these parts. Oh my god, these are so small, I can't even hold it in my hand. Yeah, so you can see I took out these. Now let's go to some bigger parts of this thing, such as these. These are a little bit more smaller. We can take out these as well. So as you can see, how easy is it to take out these. I don't have proper tweezers, but it's fine. These things get melted up so easily. Look, I even took out these, so that's for this thing. You can see it's so small I can't even hold it on my hands. Look, I even took out these stuff. These are also capacitors over here. It's so small it gets lost easily. And now comes to the soldering iron. So for now we'll off this, and let's go to this. By the way, this thing takes 300 watts and this thing is of 60 watts. So yeah, it's a very high power machine. It's like a welding machine also, you can call it. I'll just zoom in through the camera. So yeah, I have zoomed in through the camera and as well. And now I can start the soldering iron, and look how fast does it heats up. Look at this. Oh my god, it just heats up like that. It takes only 5 seconds for this thing to heat up to its usable temperature. Now you can see I just took it out, and I can start soldering with this also. So for now I'll show you how do we take out this thing. Let's take out these small components which we took out before. You can take out these things with this soldering iron too. Look, the solder is melting. and it came right out of this place. Look, how easy was that? I did not even need to use any effort for that. That side and this side done. Again I'll do another one. So it's this side and that side done. This side and that side done. Oh my god, how much easier was that? Hope you like this video. If you did like it, please do subscribe, share, like and comment on the video. And next target is 500 subscribers, so please do make it to 500 subscribers as well. And like the video, support me as much as you can. And if you have any doubts on this video, please do check out the descriptions, or else you can even comment me. I will answer each and every comment which you people give me, and do suggest what